Welcome to MyHostel.pk. In this video, we'll show you how to make and manage different types of hostel-related requests. First, click on the Request tab in the sidebar. Here, you'll be able to view your existing late pass and change time requests. To request a service, maintenance, or complaint, click on S and M and C. Then click Request, select the type, and describe the issue in detail. For service and maintenance, you'll also see a toggle labeled I will pay expenses. Make sure to turn it on before submitting. For room seat shifting, go to Room Seat Shifting, click Request, choose your preferred room type, and mention why you want to shift. To view your accommodation records, click on Accommodation. You'll see your current and any previous hostel accommodations. To leave the hostel, go to Hostel Leaving, open the Request tab, add your reason and leaving date, then agree to pay your remaining dues and click Save. That's how you can submit all your hostel-related requests quickly and easily. Thanks for using MyHostel.pk.